Does stop payment affect your credit score? It's crucial to understand how certain decisions can affect your credit score when handling your finances. Stop payments, as the name suggests, are a type of financial word that relates to telling your bank to cancel a previously authorized check or payment. This article's goal is to explain the consequences of making a stop payment and, more significantly, how they affect your credit score. What is a credit score? A credit score indicates how likely someone is to repay their debt. These ratings are based on a person's credit history, which includes information about their payment history, quantity of debt, and number of open credit accounts. Having a good credit score makes it easier for you to qualify for loans or credit lines with lower interest rates. As a result, you will be able to save more money in the long run. A bad credit score makes it harder to get approved for loans or credit lines, and if you do get approved, your interest rates will be higher. Managing your debt payments becomes difficult as a result. Credit bureaus are companies that collect and store information about people's credit histories. They have the task of calculating credit scores. There are several credit bureaus, and each of them uses a slightly different method to determine credit scores. The Fair Isaac Corporation computes the FICO score, which is a popular credit score used widely. FICO scores go from 300 to 850, and a higher score means having a better credit history. A person's credit scores have a big effect on their financial situation. These scores can influence whether they get approved for loans, the interest rates they receive, and even their chances of renting an apartment or finding a job. What is a negative credit score? A negative credit score is a poor or low credit rating given to an individual or business by credit agencies or financial institutions. Credit scores are numerical representations of a person's creditworthiness and ability to repay debts. A poor credit score indicates that a person or organization has a history of financial mismanagement, late payments, defaults, or other undesirable credit occurrences. It implies a larger risk for lenders or creditors when granting credit or making loans. People with poor credit may have difficulty obtaining loans, credit cards, mortgages, or even attractive interest rates on financial items. What is good credit score in India? In India, a credit score between 700 and 750 points is regarded as good. This shows that you have a track record of making on-time debt payments, which helps to your standing as a low-risk borrower. A good credit score will enable you to get better interest rates on your loans and find credit more easily. What happens when you stop payment on check? If account holders want to stop a previously issued payment, like a check, they can ask their bank or financial institution for a stop payment. It is typically done to prevent the recipient from receiving the funds or to address issues such as lost or stolen checks. Here's what happens when you request a stop payment. Request. As the account holder, you request that the bank stop payments. The automatic debit could be for a check you've written, or for an automatic withdrawal scheduled from your bank account. In most cases, this can be done by phone, online, or in person. Details. It is necessary for you to provide details about your check or payment. It typically includes the check number, the date, the exact amount, and the payee. When making an automatic payment, you'll need to provide the merchant's name and the date. Fees. Most banks charge a fee for this service. Depending on the bank and your account, the fee can be very different. Processing. Your bank will then process your request to stop payments. As long as the payment hasn't been processed, the bank will block it. Time limit. Stop payment orders usually last for 6 months from the date they were issued. If the check or payment is not presented within 6 months, the stop payment order usually expires. Liability. Even if you stop a check or payment, you may still be responsible. It is possible that someone else will take legal action to recover the funds if they accept your check in good faith. No guarantee. A stop payment is not always guaranteed to prevent funds from being withdrawn, especially if it is requested close to the transaction's date. Remember, stop payments should be used responsibly, as they can cause complications and costs to all parties. Whenever possible, it's best to resolve an issue with the payment directly with the payee. The impact of stop payment on credit score. The good news is that placing a stop payment on a check or transaction does not directly affect your credit score. Credit reporting agencies do not include stop payments in their calculations when determining credit scores. Consequently, stopping a payment won't affect your credit score. Even if the payment stopped was related to a loan or credit card payment, you could still be penalized. Missing payments or being late can lower your credit score if lenders report them to credit bureaus. So, while the act of stopping a payment itself does not affect your credit score, the underlying reasons for stopping the payment may have implications. What are the factors that affect your credit score? Several factors influence your credit score, reflecting your creditworthiness and how responsibly you manage credit. While the specific formulas used by credit scoring models may vary, the following factors have a significant impact on your credit score in general. Payment record. This is the most significant factor, comprising 35% of your credit score. Payment history. This is the most important factor, and it accounts for 35% of your credit score. Lenders want to see that you have a history of paying your bills on time. Even one missed payment can have a negative impact on your score. Amounts owed. This factor accounts for 30% of your credit score. Lenders want to see that you are not overextended and that you are able to manage your debt responsibly. A high credit utilization ratio, the amount of credit you are using compared to your total credit limit, can lower your score. Length of credit history. This factor accounts for 15% of your credit score. Lenders want to see that you have a long history of responsible credit use. A longer credit history will generally give you a higher credit score. Credit mix. This factor accounts for 10% of your credit score. Lenders want to see that you have a variety of credit accounts, such as credit cards, loans, and mortgages. A diverse credit mix can help to improve your score. New credit. This factor accounts for 10% of your credit score. Lenders want to see that you are not applying for new credit too often. Too many new credit inquiries can lower your score. Credit scoring models can differ, and lenders may have their own criteria for evaluating creditworthiness. Maintaining a positive credit history and monitoring your credit report regularly can improve and protect your credit score. How to protect your credit score? Here are some tips to help you protect. Stop payments may not directly affect your credit score, but protecting and maintaining a healthy credit history is still essential. The following advice will help you safeguard your credit score. On-time bill payment. One of the most crucial elements in maintaining a decent credit score is making payments on time. Monitor your credit report regularly. Keep an eye on your credit report to detect any errors or unauthorized activities. You can request a free copy of your credit report annually from each of the major credit reporting agencies. Keep credit utilization low. Try to keep your credit utilization ratio below 30%. This means using only a portion of your available credit. Limit new credit applications. Avoid applying for multiple credit accounts within a short period, as it can raise concerns for lenders. Maintain a mix of credit types. Your credit score can be positively affected by having a mix of credit types, such as credit cards, loans, and mortgages. By following these practices, you can protect your credit score and demonstrate responsible financial behavior. Conclusion. In conclusion, placing a stop payment on a check or transaction does not directly impact your credit score. However, it's important to consider the underlying reasons for stopping the payment, as missed or late payments can have consequences for your creditworthiness. By understanding the factors that affect your credit score and practicing responsible financial habits, you can protect and maintain a healthy credit history. Whenever you make financial decisions, carefully consider your unique situation and ask a certified financial expert for advice.